Introducing the Bison C-Lift T-Series. High-capacity lifting jacks for deploying containers, eliminating the cost and delays you get with contract crane services and heavy handling equipment. This video covers key things you need to know if you're evaluating the T-Series for your operation. Kicking off with the system design. The T-Series is compatible with all shipping container types and sizes, including 40-footers and high cubes. The legs bolt securely to the ISO blocks at the ends of the container. The standard model has a lift capacity of 20,000 kilograms or 44,000 pounds. For heavier containers, upgrade to the T30 model with 30-ton capacity. The legs are paired with a hydraulic power unit that mounts vertically to the front or rear end of the container. The T20 HPU is dual-powered, running off built-in 24-volt rechargeable DC batteries and AC power supply. The hydraulic hoses are routed from the HPU over the roof to each leg, and the HPU mounts to a subframe that welds or bolts to the container. If the standard model isn't quite right, we offer several upgrade options. If you don't want to mount the HPU to the container, we offer a portable HPU with a reel of hydraulic hoses that roll out to a common connection point on the container. The HPU can also be mounted on the roof or the interior walls or ceilings if you don't have room to mount the HPU on the ends of the container. There is also an option of a hardwired hand controller in place of the wireless remote. In any case where upgrades are needed, a Bison engineer can step you through your options. After the T-Series is installed, you'll have a self-sufficient, self-lifting container that can be deployed anywhere. Transportation is straightforward. The T-Series legs stow securely at the front and rear, keeping the container within vehicle width limits. When you arrive on site, it's a simple operation. Swing the legs out and lock them into position with the brace. Power up the HPU and activate the lifting legs. The T-Series has a lift height of 1.65 meters or 65 inches. Onboard sensors keep the container level and each leg synchronized. The default mode is self-leveling. However, you can control individual legs or groups of legs if required. This is useful when you're lowering the container down onto twist locks. Articulating foot plates provide a stable base for lifting containers on rough, loose, and uneven surfaces. For softer surfaces, outrigger pads can be used to spread the load. The wireless remote allows the operator to move freely, monitor the lift, and stay a safe distance from the elevated container. You have 10 inches or 25 centimeters clearance on each side when moving the trailer under the container. The T-Series is packed with safety features. There is an emergency stop button hardwired into the system, and another e-stop on the remote. When pressed, the system will come to a stop. There are hydraulic counterbalance valves built into each leg. These stop hydraulic oil escaping unintentionally, keeping the container elevated even if power is lost or a hydraulic hose is damaged. Next, there is a safety-rated control system with dual-channel redundancy, continuously monitoring the pump and motor functions, ensuring each leg stays level and synchronized. Built from high-strength structural steel, every T-Series leg is tested to 150% of its working load limit before shipping and is backed by a 5-year structural warranty against defects in materials and manufacturing. The T-Series is delivered with a detailed user manual covering installation, safety, operation, and maintenance. You will also receive a free online training program. This includes a series of detailed video lessons accompanied by multi-choice tests so that you can train, test, and certify your operators. Bison engineers stand ready to support you. Our ethos of straightforward design means that difficulties can usually be resolved by a simple call with a Bison engineer. This support is enhanced by diagnostics capabilities built into the T-Series HPU. Using a smartphone or tablet app, we can investigate issues remotely if they arise, reset the firmware, and provide expert advice no matter where you are. Alongside all of our C-lifts, we offer basic and comprehensive service kits to limit downtime if a component is lost or damaged. Standard hydraulic components make servicing by local technicians easy. So there you have it, the Bison C-Lift T-Series. Transportable container lifting jacks, giving you the freedom to deploy your valuable container assets anywhere, anytime, for less cost.